I bet you're wondering what the Isarog 360 is. Well, let me help you out a little bit. This is Mount Isarog behind me. It's an active volcano in the Bicol region of the Philippines, 2,012 meters high and thousands of square kilometers of pristine forest. And the 360 element is there's a road which loops all the way around. And my intention is to cycle that route. And I'll be starting and finishing in Naga City. And I'll be going in anti-clockwise direction. So let's go. That there is Mount Isarog. It's about 7:30 in the morning. The aim is to cycle all the way around Mount Isarog. I'm going to take 2 days to do it. Do it in 2 stages. Stage 1 today is from Naga to Goa. Set off 6:30 this morning because I want to try and beat the heat of the midday sun. I did my research on it yesterday, did a quick weather report. The temperature will be 33 degrees, feels like 39. So I'm going to suffer some challenges that I wouldn't have suffered cycling in the UK, where I used to cycle these tours quite often. So it's going to be a challenge, but I'm looking forward to it, I'm up to it. Maybe I left it a little late in the year, maybe, don't you think? Could have done it when it was cooler, but weather forecast also says there's rain due. So I bet by 12 o'clock today I'm praying for rain, just to give me a cool down. I will be passing through 6 municipalities on the journey. This is my first, and this one is Pili. And Pili is the capital of Camarines Sur, I do believe. I'll be cycling for about 5 hours today, and as I've already mentioned, the heat is going to be a major problem for me. So I'll take precautions in as much as we're also going to do frequent stops, take on more fluids and cool down whenever I can. What more can you do? With health problems to do with heat are a major concern. Hey! Hey Joe. Lots, that's about the 10th today in the first hour and a half. Mount Isarog, for information, is one of 24 active volcanoes in the Philippines. Last erupted around 5,500 years ago. So I think we're going to be pretty safe. But they say it's active because there are hot springs and it still emits gas and there are steam vents. So it's still an active volcano. This is my second municipality that I will be travelling through. Although I believe I've got a fair distance to go till I get to the town proper. Now we're moving into the countryside. Although the road's a little bit busy still, but the scenery has improved lots. Nice. And the first time I travelled down this road was on a Raymond bus heading towards Caramoan. And I think Isarog must have been the first volcano I'd ever seen. I was captivated. I couldn't take my eyes off it. Hanging out the window, taking 100 photographs and videos. It was amazing. I'll never forget it. Maybe that's why I'm doing the 360. Because you never forget your first, so they say. short 15-minute break in Ocampo in the shade. Oh, that was just what I needed. Just what I needed. I drank 1.5 litres of water and hydrolyte. I think that's the right word. To make sure I stay hydrated. So I had to top up in Ocampo and a couple of bottles of cold, ice cold, sugary orange drink. Just to give us a little bit of energy. Just what I needed, just when I needed a boost. But now it's another ride to the next municipality, which is Tigaon, and then on to Goa from there. So I'll stop in Tigaon for sandwiches, corned beef and onion sandwiches, more fluid intake, and top up the bottles. I am so hot. So hot. Temperature is 33 degrees today. Humidity is above 93, 94, 95, something like that. So the temperature feels like it's 39 degrees. I'm soaking, I'm scorching, I'm roasting. But I have to go on, I've got no option. So I'm drinking lots, I'm taking rest. I'm going to stay here for 20 minutes in Tigaon churchyard before continuing. I felt great after my last rest actually. Just cool down, take on fluid, and I'm about 2/3 of the way. So hopefully a few more rests on the way. That's the thing that's getting me. It's not the cycling as such, it's the heat. It's intense. You can see the open crater there on this side. Wave. You can see the open crater there on this side. From where that will be from when it erupted 5,500 years ago. There's no historic eruptions that were remembered by people. Air condition, luxury. It's not a room with a view though. It's nice enough, nice and quaint. Shower. Last person that came in had big feet. There we are, I made it to Goa. Stage 1 over. All morning it was so hot I prayed for rain. And when I get to Goa and check in the hotel, guess what happened? It started to rain. Who would have believed it? Now I've just had something to eat, a bit of fuel. I'm going to do some admin on the computer and chill this evening. And tomorrow it's a longer ride, so I hope it's a little bit cooler tomorrow. There's some hills involved tomorrow as well. And believe it or not, I've got more facts, more information on Mount Isarog that you won't believe. Aren't you the lucky ones? Anyway, so I'll log off for today and I'll see you early tomorrow morning. just leaving Goa on day 2 of the Isarog 360. I thought I was expecting a few hills today. Looks like I was right. First mile and a half, been nothing but uphill. But what a contrast from yesterday. Yesterday I was being cooked like a barbecued chicken, and today it's well, yesterday I was praying for rain, and today I got it. So the temperature's a lot cooler. So, well, rain brings its own challenges, doesn't it? But if the weather stays like this is quite cool. I should be a lot faster than I was yesterday, depending on the hills. No need for frequent stops. Still have to intake fluid. But Isarog's hidden in the clouds today. No sign of the volcano. I'm supposed to be keeping to my left. Yeah. But over to me right. As soon as I get a nice clearing, I'll show you the mountains of Camarines. Beautiful in the cloud. I'll show you in a second or so when I need to get a good clearing. I hope you can see this. Beyond the paddy fields and the coconut plantations in the foreground, in the background you've got what appear to be untamed mountains hidden by cloud, looking wild and rugged. And over to my left I've got Isarog looking the same. To me this is food for the soul. This is what keeps me alive. And it's just started raining again, but I'm nice and cool. I could do with a bit of rain. Look at this beast I've just found beside the edge of the road. I won't go too close, see if I can stretch my arm out. You see him? Come on. Whoops. So big, he's got another spider crawling all over his body. Oops. I'm going to take a step closer, but my foot fell down there. So that's as far as you're getting. That's about 6 inches away. You must be from tip to tip of his body's 2 inches, and with his legs 4 inches, 5 inches. Well, that downhill section was a false flag. But I found myself a nice little rhythm, so I'll keep going. Upwards, upwards, upwards. Oh, I've stopped for 10 minutes. I've set up my little camera there, my pocket 2, set on time lapse, overlooking the back end of the mountain. I'm hoping that the clouds will clear a little bit, and if in 10-15 minutes I might get something to see. I won't promise anything, but look at this, I'm just I'm standing here in bare feet. Wring my socks out, because if I wear them I'll just be wearing wet socks all day because they won't dry on my feet. Get some air to them, dry my gloves, dry me rag, and see if I can get a bit more comfortable. But if the clouds weren't there, that would be beautiful. Beautiful. Morning.
Morning. Hi, how are you?
I'm very wet. I try
Wet. Because of raining.
Yeah, yeah.
Rain is
Oops, you okay?
Raining is unpredictable.
Yes, that's correct. Bye bye.
Nice to meet you.
And you too. I've arrived in Tinenbach anyway, so this is 5 out of the 6 municipalities. There's only one left to go, there's Calabanga. So I should be plain sailing from here. I've lost views of my volcano on my left hand side. My God, I might be going the wrong way. Just got to keep him on the left. I should be coming to the sea soon, so I'm going to have a look around around Tinenbach, have a look around the port, fill my water bottles, rehydrate, and get a snack, and maybe have a good look around the town. But this place is nice. This is beautiful, this part. River, soon to be flowing into the sea. Let's see what the town has to offer. Cheers. This is Calabanga, the last municipality I've got to visit. Oh, I've got to pass through before getting to Goa. Feels like I'm a step closer to home. I must admit, I'm very hot and I'm very tired. And the road here, it's a 45 minutes to an hour maybe, I can't remember. I've cycled it before. But never when I've been this exhausted or this tired. So apart from now, I will have one stop on the way back because I'm very hot. I'll have one stop because the temperature is getting hot again. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Kind gesture. Total kindness. That's Mount Isarog, way in the distance over there. You can't see the top, but perhaps you can see the bottom. Not sure with this camera, to be honest. It's been hidden for most of the afternoon along that northern section, whether by foliage or by cloud. But I did say yesterday, your earlier this video, that I'd give you some more information on Mount Isarog. And I bet you've been waiting in great suspense. At Isarog, during the Japanese occupation, the Second World War, Isarog was a hiding place for the Philippine Army, where they used to hide, and I've seen how big it is now, cycling around it for 2 days. It's vast, rugged, lots of ravines. There are places to hide there, lots. And they used to come out, do operations against the Japanese soldiers and go back and hide there. But now it's all protected. It's all national forest. Not long now, I'm on the final stretch. Busy road though. It's a busy and dangerous road, so I put my camera back in my pocket and focus on what I'm doing. That's it. Almost done. 2 miles to go. I'm on the edge of Naga City. Nothing can stop us now. But it's complete. Thankfully. I'm glad I did it. But if you've watched this video, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. That's it for me. Thank you. Stay safe, keep smiling. Well, that's me done. Isarog 360 complete. Been waiting 7 months or more to do this. But because of 3 mystery illnesses and a couple of other reasons, I had to put it off. So eventually I did it now in the month of May, which is probably a bit too hot. Which is probably why I think I might be medium rare now. Whew, almost done. But it's glad to have finished it. 3 big factors in that. I'm very tired, red-faced, tired as a dog. I think the weather's played a big part in tiring me out. My age has played a big part, and the bike has played a big part because the bike is not really made for this kind of expedition. It's a mountain bike with big fat tyres. It takes a lot of work to keep it going. But I managed. I'm glad I did. I'll pat myself on the back and have a couple of cold beers. But Isarog hasn't even got the respect to come out from behind the clouds. So now I've got half a mile to go, so I'm going to finish the circle completely. Thank you.